To another edition of NOFOMO's completely biased campsite review. Today we are at site 56 at E.G. Simmons Conservation Campground. This is a county-run campground, a little over 100 sites. We are in the east section. There's also a west section, which for our taste was a little more packed and a lot more families. The park is located between Ruskin and Apollo Beach, or Apollo in Florida. It's on the eastern side of Tampa Bay. In general, we like it here. The weather for February is pretty nice. We can scratch up a 6-mile track to go running in the morning. There's water with more than half of the campsite, so get electricity and water on the site. There's a dumping station further down, so there's no dumping on your campsite. But tomorrow will be 2 weeks that we've spent here, so this is the longest that we ever stayed in one place. Usually it's 4 days and we're out, which is partially also because Wolver's here. No, because the neighbors here where we are all laid back, pretty nice, and so therefore it's typically nice and quiet when we're working or when we're cooking at night. As usual, the campsites have fire ring and picnic bench, and as you can see here, some water access. Our kayak right now is in use with our neighbor Holly, who is the first owner of this, what is it called, Falcon. She bought it in 1988 in San Francisco at a show, and has been owning it ever since. So yeah, we've made it really comfortable here. We rode out the bikes. There's a Publix and a Piggly Wiggly up the street if you want to get something there real quickly. But what's really nice is, yeah, you launch your kayak here, and there is a 3.5 mile long canoe trail that you can safely follow across, which is pretty fun. So therefore, thumbs up. It's a night is $24. If you're 55 or older, there's I think a discount to $18, and I think there's another one when you're 65 or something like that. But obviously we're not in the game for that just yet. So therefore I hope you liked this completely biased campsite review. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and follow us on our journeys across the US and eventually around the world.